Mr. Paper. Dun dun dun. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Mr. Paper. I'm the worst thing on Moron Central, and the internet, and the world. I did not like swearing last week, but if I have to, I'll do it again. Okay? Daddy! Oh God, I'm sorry, I'm really, really sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. Dick! Mr. Paper! I hope we never see him again, but we